I was recently asked, how do I switch careers if I have a ton of responsibilities and a mortgage? While I'm not fortunate enough to own a property, I have switched careers multiple times, including a massive jump when I quit my career as an architect after over 11 years in the profession. And my advice would be really similar whether you have a lot of responsibilities or not that many. It would be to be smart about it and take things slow. I think when people say take the leap, they're not necessarily thinking about your best interest. I mean, you want to have financial savings. You want to make sure that whatever you are leaping to, you've at least tested out to see if you like it. I mean, the saying, the grass is always greener on the other side is true. There's a pros and cons to every single profession and every single job and every single business that you might be thinking of starting. So I would definitely say make sure you have, I'd say, at least 9 months of savings before you make any major switches, but also make sure you have tested the waters, dipped a toe in to see if what you're switching to you actually enjoy. And one of the ways that you can do that if you're working full time and you are actually really stressed about, losing that consistent income is you can try to start freelancing on the side. Do you have skill sets that are high value that you can sell on a flexible basis that you can still work your full-time job and also not have it be a conflict of interest? From there, especially if you are starting from scratch in a new profession, then at least you can get some experience. Potentially one of the companies you're freelancing for will want to take you on full time, or you could use that to leverage your experience and then switch jobs if you are looking at switching careers and having consistent income as an employee. One of my favorite ways to use AI is for strategic planning. So this would be a discussion that I would also have with a chatbot. Just ask it to act as an expert in the field that you're trying to switch to and ask the requirements from what it would need based on the field that you're currently in. And then have it plan out the steps that you might need to take to make that switch. Of course, you can talk to people in your life, but unless they've actually done it, it might actually be better to refer to an AI expert. Of course, you need to have critical thinking there and make sure that you are checking what is like the output and everything that's coming out of it, but work with it as a strategic partner. It's there to help you, and in a lot of cases, it's free, so take advantage of it. I'm wishing you all the best of luck and all the happiness in the world, and if you do want extra support, I've got a free community group called Architect of Your Life. If you are trying to build something really cool with your life, join the group, get some extra support. I'm happy to build resources for what you guys need, and the link is in the description.